Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the employee portal for Goldman Sachs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ap2.web-login.gs.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the employee login portal for Goldman Sachs. Now you can use the Microsoft Authenticator app by clicking on the checkbox, or you can log in using your credentials. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account and then enter your secure ID or your PIN or your 6-digit code. Now before entering your secure ID or your code, you can choose your region from the drop-down menu. After choosing your region, just enter your secure ID and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Goldman Sachs employee account right away. And there you have it. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the support numbers underneath Contact Mobile Support within the bottom section and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Goldman Sachs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.